Dexterity. Raccoons are known for their incredible dexterity. They have highly flexible front paws with long, slender fingers that enable them to manipulate objects and open various types of containers. Adaptability. Raccoons are incredibly adaptable animals. They can thrive in a wide range of habitats, including forests, urban areas, marshes, and even mountainous regions. This adaptability has contributed to their widespread distribution across North America. Nocturnal behavior. Raccoons are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Their excellent night vision and acute hearing help them navigate and find food in low light conditions. Masked bandits. Raccoons are often referred to as masked bandits due to the black fur around their eyes resembling a mask. This unique facial marking has made them popular in folklore and media. Omnivorous diet. Raccoons are opportunistic eaters with an omnivorous diet. They are known to consume a variety of food items, including fruits, nuts, insects, small mammals, amphibians, fish, and even garbage. Their diet varies depending on the available resources and their environment. Intelligent problem solvers. Raccoons are highly intelligent animals known for their problem-solving abilities. They can remember solutions to tasks for up to 3 years, and they have been observed using tools and demonstrating problem-solving skills in various studies. Excellent climbers. Raccoons are exceptional climbers due to their strong hind legs and sharp claws. They can effortlessly climb trees and even descend headfirst. Their climbing skills aid them in searching for food, escaping predators, and finding suitable den sites. Vocal communication. Raccoons use a wide range of vocalizations to communicate with one another. These vocalizations include purring, chittering, growling, hissing, and even a high-pitched whistle. They also communicate using body language and scent marking. Hand washing. Raccoons have a habit of dunking their food in water before eating it. While this behavior was initially thought to be for cleaning purposes, it is now believed that they may do it to enhance their tactile sensitivity and improve their ability to manipulate objects. Motherly care. Female raccoons, called sows, are devoted mothers. They create elaborate dens for their young, typically in tree cavities or underground burrows. Sows usually give birth to a litter of 2 to 5 kits, and they take great care in nursing and raising their offspring until they are old enough to venture out on their own. Hope you enjoyed our video.